So I'm gonna get my fruit into the fridge. I don't know. I don't have a lot of thoughts. I just am thankful that I don't have assignments yet. If you know what I mean. I get to go. To turn the AC on. I'm gonna make this into burrito. Yeah, this is much more 맛있어. It's so hard to like. Oh, okay. No. Oh my god. 진짜 망했어. But I think I didn't get any on my oh my goodness. Look at this mess. I've put in a little too much, I feel like. But it's gonna be fine. 이러다 뚜껑 날아가면. Today there was no biopractical, so there was supposed to be a really long class, but because there aren't any practicals this week, class finished early and I went to eat lunch with my friend. We ate ice cream, we took a picture, and I'm back. And now I'm going to just I need to study, but I also really have to edit because, yeah, I just have to edit fast. So I'm gonna post a video today. Yeah. And I'm gonna probably do a little bit of Python. With this. With this. With this. With this. For this. On the way, there was a pool room, 당구장, and I see this familiar face and I'm like, I think I know that person. And I was like staring at him and he saw me and he was like, huh, do I know that person? He was like, and I was like, I waved back and I'm pretty sure it's him because like, who would wave? Wait, like if a stranger stares at you with the expression of recognition, you wave back? I don't know. I'll show you what I got this. 신장. 오늘은 cheating day. 신장. And this is 고구마 마탕, which is amazing. 고구마 마탕 is basically candied sweet potato flavor. And I got 고래밥. And I got an almond bridge. So I got my stuff and I was gonna say hi, but you have to like tag your student ID card, but my card didn't work and my roommate's card didn't work either, so I couldn't open the doors. So eventually I couldn't say hi, just said bye to my roommate because she was gonna meet her boyfriend at the library and just came back. But yeah, I did not expect to see him here. Probably didn't recognize me because of my glasses, because I used to not wear glasses. Yeah. But I'm gonna ask him which school he's going to. Okay, and I'm gonna code now because I have an assignment and I'm gonna finish it today because now I'm gonna be a diligent student. I'm Heejung 2.0. I'm not gonna cram. And also because Python, like for other assignments, I probably could do it near the end of the deadline, but for Python coding, I suck. So if I don't do it fast, then I'm gonna later on cry and submit and not be able to submit it on time. So that would be a terrible way to start university. So I'm just gonna do it now. I've always felt the need to learn code, but I would always just like be like, yeah, coding is not for me. Although I'd never actually learned it properly. Now I'm doing it. It's actually pretty fun. I mean, it's more fun than other subjects, I feel like. But it's just probably because it's just the first week and it might start to feel like hell later on. But for now, I think it's pretty fun. I forgot to tell you guys, my friend who also enrolled in the fall semester, her boyfriend and my roommate's boyfriends are friends. And they went to the same school in elementary, middle, and high school. And isn't that so weird? One more thing to tell you guys. So I was eating shabu-shabu with my friend, and while we were eating, all of a sudden, all the fall semester enrolling students, came, like 8 people came in, and we were like, huh? There are so many other restaurants, but they came here where we were eating. What a coincidence. It's a coincidence day. 재밌다. Okay, I'll go back to coding now. I got so much food. It's like this semester calendar. Ta-da! I have more. This is my snack collection. I'm gonna try working on the rest of my coding problems, and then I have to clean up a little bit. Okay, let's clean up a little bit first. I'll just color on here. It's fully dry. Good. There is a tea club at this school as well, which is really cool. Let's do coding now. Almost spilled. This is like a posture 교정기. It straightens your back because I have terrible posture. Klaus Kemp is the sole modern practitioner of a lost Victorian art form. I found a way to study in a more fun way. Like, if you doodle cute things along the way, it makes you feel good.
이미 됐지?
맞아. 아니 근데 너 고수 좋아해?
어?
고수 좋아해?
어, 난 좋아해.
It was a typo. I'm organizing my bio notes. Today I have the most classes. 18.
아니, 너무 많아.
Today is a Thursday already. Tomorrow I'm going to the MT, and today I had general biology, English 1A, informatics practical, and physics. Yeah, that's it. Today I woke up at around 7:30 because I thought I had math, but it turns out there was no class. So I did not use the elevator. I used the stairs because I thought I was gonna be late. So I basically had a morning workout, and when I reached the classroom, there was no one there. But there was this other person that I know who was like coming in a hurry, and I was like, "We're class 403, right?" And he was like, "Yeah." But there was no one there, so we were like, "Huh?" So he called another friend, and it turned out there was no class. So we were like, "Oh my god, let's go back." And I came back to my dorm and did a little bit of editing, and then I went to my physics lecture. It was for basically 3 hours, and then I just had lunch. Now I have to finish writing my interview answers, and I also have to finish up some editing. I have to pack for the MT, and also I have to pack my laundry so I could go home and do my laundry there. 진짜 겁나 바빠. I'm gonna pack my bags now. First, I have to find my wallet. 진짜 큰일 났어. 월렛이 없어. Okay, I bring my pouchy. Here's my pouchy. Oh, this is not my pouch. This is my pencil case.
You pulled me close, split second and you disappeared, and then I was all alone. 비추고 반쯤 들고 속삭여줘.
I think I'll have to write my reply in the bar. 마무리하고 I'm gonna post Sunday after I come back from school. I'm gonna do my assignments, and I'm gonna post 2 videos because I really have to speed up because it's already August 29th. 그러면 17분이니까 지금 한 10분 정도 남았거든요. 쌍을 닦고 바닥도 한번 바닥 닦고 가야겠다. 바닥을 닦고 청소를 해놓고 가자. 난 아직 쓰레기통을 안 찼으니까 안 비워도 될 것 같고. 다 챙긴 것 같은데?